What's up, team? So I always get this question: do I have to meal prep to eat healthy? If I want to lose weight, if I want to gain muscle, do I have to meal prep on Sundays? No. There's a few reasons why I don't even like meal prepping. I've tried it before, I've done it in the past. You get over it by Wednesday, the food's dry and it ends up just sitting in your fridge. Unless you're a bodybuilder or somebody that really needs to plan out their meals and have the exact macros every single day. But for you and I, we're good cooking. Let's learn that. Let's get in the habit of cooking our meals. Let's develop that habit because we want to diversify our foods anyways. We want a variety of fruits, a variety of vegetables, different types of meats, different nuts, different whole foods, so that we're getting all the vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants that we need to thrive. So what you can do on Sunday, instead of cooking a whole bunch of food, you can plan out your meals. So Monday night, what are we having? Tuesday night, what are we having? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I know I'm going out Saturday, so I'll probably be eating out. Sunday, back to it. This way you're probably getting a couple days where you're getting fish, a couple days where you're getting chicken. Some days, some grass-fed beef, some good steaks, some rice, sweet potatoes, broccoli, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. And then you're also diversifying the herbs, the spices, the flavors that you're getting. Because when you're not getting the right vitamins, the right minerals, your body naturally is going to seek out those flavors that have whatever minerals, whatever vitamins that you need in them. So you might grab the chips. You might grab the strawberry candy. Your body's going to keep eating that flavor, those artificial flavors, thinking that it's satisfying some need, but it's not. So you go for more and more and more. But not now. We're getting the whole foods, so that we're satiated, so that we feel good. So whenever my clients come up to me and think that they need to meal prep, I'm like, no, you don't have to meal prep. You do have to get in the habit of cooking. You do have to start making yourself some food. And then whenever you start to make food, you start to appreciate it. We want to be grateful for the food that we're eating. If that food is energy, let's put that good energy in our body. So I get it, you're busy. I don't have time to cook. But you have time to drive 15 minutes to Chipotle, 15 minutes back, that's already 30 minutes gone, plus the time you're standing in line. Sit down and make time to enjoy your food. Then you can start finding the recipes that you really enjoy, that really benefit your body. It's not about meal prepping. It's about developing a new discipline in the kitchen. You got the discipline going to the gym, now let's get it in the kitchen. Let's start to cook, let's start to grill. This will have you feeling right. This will have you feeling energized. This will have you feeling positive and confident about your lifestyle. Start cooking. You'll learn how to be more efficient in the kitchen. You'll learn the meals that are a little quicker. When you have more time, then you can really try new things and expand out. If you're really trying to eat healthy, just diversify the whole foods. Eat a well-balanced diet that consists of things that come from the earth. And whenever you do decide to eat out, to have that sweet treat, that snack, you won't have to feel guilty about it because you know you're cooking. You're in the kitchen. You're doing things right. You're making that meal with love. That's how we get the body that we want. We exercise efficiently. We eat smart. We stay positive. So the only real meal prepping that you need is to make a nice, big, healthy dinner. And then realize that you're full. Chug your water in between bites. Have a conversation, communicate with your girlfriend, your fiance, your spouse, whoever it is. And don't eat her leftovers. You're good, bro. Put it in the fridge. You've had enough. Put the plate down, put the fork down, and save it for tomorrow so that when you are busy, you can go right to the fridge and take it with you. So that you have something to eat, so that you don't have to stop out. You don't have to buy lunch out every day. You're good. Save some money. Eat from home. And then do it again at night. So no, you don't have to meal prep to eat healthy, to be healthy, to get in shape. But we do have to upgrade our habits when it comes to our nutrition. Learn to eat whole foods. Learn to put the fork down. Learn to make a nice healthy meal instead of always eating out. This is the Wellness and Such channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. Peace and one love, always.